Really, Hadidas? Really? Oh god. They will not stop. I hope they can't hear this. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cheryl. If you're new, welcome to the C Squad. Over here we cover all things transfer student and living your best life as an international student in the UK. So if you like the sound of that, then hit the subscribe button below. Follow me on Instagram and join the fam. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining me again. So guys, as I'm filming today, we just hit 800 subscribers and I'm genuinely like shocked, and I'm so grateful to you guys for subscribing to me. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers and you guys know I've got a giveaway for you, so that will be announced in a later video once we hit 1,000 subscribers. So be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you guys will be notified when I post that giveaway video. So it is towards the end of summer, and with everything going on in the world, I'm not really sure if first years are going to be moving into halls this year. I know at University of Sussex they do have plans for that, so I thought I would film a Uni Room Essentials video for you guys so that you guys can start stocking up on all the things that you need for your university room. It is such an exciting time to be moving away from a home and living on your own and decorating your room and all that stuff, so it's really exciting. So I hope you guys will enjoy these tips that I'm about to give you. So the first thing, if you guys are staying in an accommodation that has a shared bathroom, then I would definitely say get a shower caddy. It just really helps to have everything in one place, so your bath gel and your shampoo and all that stuff, and then when you go to the bathroom you just take the whole container with you. I would also recommend that you guys get some shower slippers or some flip-flops because it can be a little bit grim in the uni hall's bathrooms, I'm not gonna lie. I had like 11 other flatmates, and so I didn't really want to be stepping on the tiles in the bathroom, so definitely get those. The next thing is oil diffusers. At most universities you're not allowed candles in your room, so the best thing that you can do is really get an oil diffuser. Uni rooms can get a bit stale sometimes, so it's really nice to have a diffuser so that your room smells nice. I got mine from Amazon and they were pretty affordable. And then I highly recommend that you guys bring a portable speaker. I know some speakers can be really expensive, but I got my speaker from Typo. It's actually a shower speaker, so I do use it in the shower, but when I was at uni I used it in my room as well. And you know, uni is all about the vibes, so when you're having kitchen flat parties, you know, people would be like, who has the speaker? And if you have the speaker, then you can control the music. So I would say definitely get a speaker, but don't be that annoying person in the halls who's playing loud music in their room until 2 a.m. Then you definitely need some storage. So if you guys watched my university room tour, I got these storage containers from Primark and they were like £5 each. They were like really affordable. And then you can also get one of those rolling carts with the different shelves so that you can store other things in there. So I know you guys saw my university room tour that I kept all my dishes, plates, pots, pans in my room just because that was my preference, but in retrospect I think one of those rolling carts would have been really good for that. But I did have a lot of shelf space in my room, so that was fine. But if you don't have a lot of shelf space, then definitely getting that storage is gonna help you out loads. So I feel like a full-length mirror is an absolute necessity. Like, you cannot just be going around looking like a hot mess. Like, you need to know what you're looking like. You need to be able to see your full body and your outfit and everything. Luckily for me, we actually had a mirror in our hall and it was right next to my bedroom. So when I was going to classes or when I was going out and stuff, I could look at myself in the mirror and so I could see what I looked like. So that's why I opted not to get one. But definitely next year, if I don't have a mirror in my room, I will be getting one. And guys, I feel like no one talks about this enough, but uni beds are so uncomfortable. They are the worst thing ever. And especially like if you live in old accommodation, like I think my accommodation is like one of the oldest accommodations, The beds were horrible. Like literally you could feel like the springs, like it was so hard to sleep. It was not comfortable at all. So what I ended up doing is I got a mattress topper from Argos. Yes, I got a mattress topper from Argos. I think it was like 20 pounds, 30 pounds or something, but it was literally such a lifesaver. Like from then on I could sleep like comfortably, but I promise you the first week of school I was not sleeping and I would message my mom complaining because my back would be sore. So you definitely actually need to do that. And then you obviously need an extension cable. The plugs in uni rooms are firstly placed very weirdly and secondly they're not that many of them, so you definitely need an extension cable so that you can just have more like options of where you can charge your things. So in my room I had a plug that was like at the foot of my bed, and like obviously I want to be on my phone while my phone is charging, so I ended up having to get an extension cable and I like put it under the bed, and then it came out like next to the bed so then I could charge my stuff. So you definitely need to get that. I got mine from Kari's PC World, I think that's what it's called, in town. Then I'll definitely recommend extra lighting. Like I know you guys have seen the uni room tours, like it's just so nice to have like fairy lights and all that stuff and like twinkle lights. It's so cute. So in my university room tour video I had bought fairy lights from Primark, and I think they were also like £5 to £10, and that's what I used like for my board where my pictures were. And then later on I ended up getting a poster for my room. I think that was in my week in my life video. I ended up getting a poster for my room, and then I wanted to put like twinkle lights over it, so I ordered those from Amazon. Then I noticed a lot of people get extra appliances for their room. So my flatmates had like coffee machines and even kettles in their room. Like some of them had like really cute stations like on those storage carts, and they would have like their mugs and they would have like the kettle and stuff. I never did that because I don't drink coffee and tea like that much, so that would just be like too much effort. Then I had a flatmate who had a slow cooker. I had a flatmate with a mini fridge, and I would totally get a mini fridge, but like I feel like I only have 1 year left, so I don't really know what I'm gonna do with that mini fridge. But definitely if you're going into first year or foundation year, like a mini fridge makes a lot of sense because people steal food in uni halls, but we'll get to that later. I actually ended up getting a sandwich press because one of my flatmates had one, and I was like borrowing hers. Like I borrowed hers like twice, and then I was like, let me get my own. So I ordered it from Argos and it was £30. I will link it down below. And yeah, it's just like really nice to have like extra things, especially like a sandwich press. Like you can literally survive off of Toasties like that entire week. So another thing I got was a water filter, which I got from Wilco, and I just liked it, you know, like it just filters out your water, it tastes better. And also you can keep it in the fridge and it gets like super cold. So obviously like when I came back from cheer practice and I was like sweating, it would be really nice to have like freezing cold water. Another thing you guys need to do is bring lint rollers. I don't know what it is with my clothes, they just catch hair and all this stuff, and it's really helpful to just have your lint roller and just to go through the pair of jeans or sweatpants that you're going to be wearing that day. Then my tip for all my party animals, shot glasses. Get shot glasses. I was meant to get shot glasses last year, but I for the life of me couldn't find them. I went to Debenhams, I went, where else did I go? I went to like a home store. I went to a lot of places and I couldn't find any shot glasses, but I should have just ordered them off of Amazon. Unless you're someone who just likes drinking drinks, I feel like shot glasses are a vibe, especially like when you then want to like share drinks like with your flatmates and stuff. Let's say you all want to take a shot of Jaeger, putting it in like a cup is just and eyeballing it. Don't do that. Get shot glasses. So you guys would have also seen that in my university room tour I got a lamp. So I already had one lamp that was on my desk, which, you know, is obviously great for studying, but I wanted like a lamp for near my bed and on the end table. So I did get this lamp that I absolutely love, and I got it from Primark, and I think it was like £10, could have been more, I'm not really sure. Then for those of you who are gonna be in the UK, it gets cold, guys. Like winter is actually the worst. you need an electric blanket. I would highly recommend that. I'm definitely gonna get that. Luckily my bed was pretty close to the heater, so that really helped. But sometimes in halls, which they don't tell you, is that like during the autumn term we had like a limit on the heat, so it would be on from like a certain time and then it would cut off at maybe like 4 a.m. and then you kind of like wake up at 4 a.m. because you're freezing. Do you know what I mean? They did end up changing that like during winter and stuff, like December and like second semester. But like I literally remember like going out during Freshers Week and you come back at like 4 a.m. and you want to switch on the heat and it's not switching on. Get an electric blanket. Then another thing that a lot of people forget is like cleaning supplies. So obviously you need to clean your room. You're not going to be having like anyone cleaning it, so you need to be in charge of that. So definitely like sometimes your desk can get really dusty, so you need like cleaning supplies for that, or you just need like dishwashing liquid for your dishes or whatever the case may be. Maybe you want to wipe the windows or whatever, so definitely get some cleaning supplies. Then you need a laundry basket or a hamper, whatever you guys would like to call it. But I got mine from Primark once again. Guys, I did a whole shopping spree at Primark, okay? And mine was like really cute. It was like a marble design. I really liked it. The one thing was though that I had to walk to Park Village to do my laundry, and it was just not feasible for me to carry my hamper like all the way to Park Village. So what I ended up doing is I actually had like bags, like you know, like those Urban Outfitter bags that you get when you buy from Urban Outfitters. Like I'd put my clothes in there, and then I had another like bag that I would just stuff my clothes into, and then I would walk to Park Village. But I was actually watching another person's YouTube video, and they have hampers where like you can roll them. Yeah, like they have wheels and like you can roll them. Like that would be like so much easier, because if your washing machine is down the hall, you can roll it down the hall. If it's at another building, you can roll it to the other building. So I'm definitely gonna get that. I'd also recommend that you guys get adhesive hooks and like command strips and that kind of thing, because sometimes in the halls it's difficult to find places to hang up your stuff. So for example, I used to hang up my raincoat and umbrellas and all that stuff. I used to hang that up on the side of my wardrobe, because as you guys saw, my wardrobe was the size of like, don't even know why they gave me one. I'm sure as you guys saw, my wardrobe was tiny. Like it was tiny, so it was really hard to store a lot of things. So I kind of had to like hang things on the wardrobe and stuff. So you need to get like those hooks that you can just stick on. Be very careful about these on the walls, because if you damage the walls when you're taking it off, they will find you. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have an amazing move-in day, and hopefully that will be possible for you guys. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to join the C Squad, and hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. I post every Wednesday and Sunday at 5 p.m. London time. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!